All right, number 6, we want to add these. In order to add two fractions, you got to have a common denominator. So, let's see. So this one has an x, and so this one needs an x, so we're going to multiply top and bottom by x. So now we need to have an x plus 1. So now we multiply top and bottom by x plus 1. All right, so on top we want to simplify that, and so that gives us x squared plus 3x plus 2. And on the bottom, you don't need to multiply them together, you can leave them factored. This is going to give us 4x. So again, over here, all I did to multiply those together was I could do the double distribute, or if you want to do the box method. Either way, you'll end up with the x squared plus 3x plus 2. Alright, so now we combine our like terms on top, and so we get x squared. So now we have 3x and 4x gives us 7x plus 2 over x times x plus 1. Okay, now number 7, we're going to subtract. So as I rewrite it, I'm going to change it to addition, just make that 2 negative so I don't have to worry about that minus sign anymore. Alright, so this side has a y minus 6, so that means that this side needs a y minus 6. This side has a y minus 3, so this side needs a y minus 3. And so now on the bottom we're going to have y minus 3 times y minus 6. On top, this 2 needs to be multiplied to both terms, so we get 2y minus 6 plus, again, this negative 2 has to be multiplied to both terms, so we get negative 2y plus 12. The bottom's the same, the y minus 3, y minus 6. So now let's combine our like terms. So here we have 2y minus 2y, so those drop out and become 0. You don't need to write it. And so now we have negative 6 plus 12, which is 6. And so we finish with 6 over y minus 3, y minus 6. All right, for number 8, now that we're multiplying, we want to see if we can simplify or maybe factor something out. So I take a 2 out of the top, and I'm left with x minus 6. And the reason we do that is because I'm hoping something cancels. And so now this cancels out this, and now I can just multiply across. 2 times 1 gives me 2, and then this is now just a 1. 1 times x minus 3 is just x minus 3. Alright, let's pretend you actually care about your grade and you want to make sure this is the correct answer. So what you could do is pick a number, any number, say 7. Okay, so let x equal 7. Take 7 and plug it in to the original problem. So 2 times 7 minus 12 over 7 minus 6 times 1 over 7 minus 3. And so here this becomes 14. 14 minus 12 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1 times 1 over 7 minus 3 is 4. Multiply across 2/4, which gives you 1/2. Now, if this is the correct answer, if we take 7 and plug it in here, 2 over 7 minus 3 gives us 2 over 4, which equals 1/2. If these answers are correct, we get 1/2 and 1/2. Now, if you remember, I showed you how to store a number on your calculator. If you were to say this time I put 5, I stored 5, and I plugged in the expression I was given, and notice my answer is 1. And so now if I type in my answer, 2 over x minus 3. Over x minus 3 and gives me 1 again. So it doesn't matter what x value I plug into these, if the answers are the same, that means I did the work right. So the final answer here was 2 over x minus 3. Here's just a way if you want to make sure you have the right answer before you move on. Or instead of doing the word search, go back and check your work. Alright, so number 9 did have a typo, so let's change this to minus 4x. So this is going to factor to x minus 7 times x plus 3 over x minus 7, x minus 9, x plus 3. So here the x minus 7 can cancel out this x minus 7, and this x plus 3 can cancel out this x plus 3. And so there's nothing left here but a 1, nothing here but a 1, nothing here but a 1. And so we just finish with x minus 9 over 1, but we don't need over 1, so x minus 9 is our answer. So again, like I just talked about in the last part, you could pick a number for x. Say x is, let's say 10, because that'll give us a nice number here. So take 10 and square it. That gives us 100 minus 40 minus 21 over 3 times 10 minus 9 is 1 over 13. And so 100 minus 40 minus 21 gives us a 39 over 3 times 1 over 13. And that gives us 39 over 39, which equals 1. So when I plug 10 into this, my answer is 1. When I plug 10 into this, 10 minus 9 is 1. That means that my answer, x minus 9, is correct.